Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and on this Nissan Sentra we're going to pop the hood to be able to do what we need to under the hood. If you need to check your fluids and do anything like that. So first you would open up the door here. Right down here is the lever to open and pop the hood release for the front. And now we'll go around front and we'll open the hood. Okay, so we're around front here, right above your Nissan symbol. There's a yellow tab in here. You're going to want to pull it to the left, and then that releases the from the safety latch for your hood. And then that way you can raise it up, and then right here is the lever or the rod that holds the hood up. And then there's actually a little arrow here and an indent where this rod sits in. And then that way that supports your hood to be raised up, and then now you can be able to do things inside the hood. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.